Hey everybody, this is Doug from DC Pedals. This video demonstrates a DC Pedals compressor. The DC comp is derived from the famous Ross compressor circuit, but I made a few changes that I thought make the pedal sound better in my rig. It has a wider tonal range, it has more lows and more highs, and I added a clean blend. I'm using a Gibson Les Paul with a Fender Deluxe Reverb reissue. Here's the clean sound. So we'll play a few phrases, and I just want you to hear how the compressor sounds like I like it set. There's no compression on this. That's the clean sound. Here's the compressor. It's nice. So let's set the compressor for 100% compression. I'll turn the clean blend to 0 and it's now set for 100% compression. And you'll notice a lot of the pick attack is taken away from the compressor. So if you want the pick attack back in your sound, add in the clean tone. So now you have the best of both worlds. And if you turn the clean blend all the way up to 100%, there is no compression. And essentially you have a clean booster. So there's one other thing I want to show you while we have this stuff set up. I'm going to put a little compression on. I'm going to go to 100% compression and play some funky. You can hear how the compressor is kind of robbing me of my pick attack. It's doing its job, but I want some of that pick attack back. So I add in the clean blend and I get my pick attack back, but I still have compression. This is Doug from DC Pedals. Thanks for listening. You can get more information on the DC comp and other DC Pedals gear from my website, dcpedals.com. Send me a note through the contact page if you have any questions.